back, my friends, to another part-time weekend work from home job lead. This one is in the healthcare field. Now, just a little disclaimer, I do not work for any of these companies. I simply share what I find online. For this position, they did not state anywhere that I could find that they had any state restrictions as far as hiring, so you will have to do your own research to verify. It does say that they have headquartered locations both in Louisville, Kentucky and Las Vegas, Nevada, but the healthcare company Molina Healthcare is hiring a customer experience representative to work from home part-time. Now, this part-time opportunity is for Saturday and Sunday weekend shifts, and you will have an option for additional hours during the week if you can pick those up, and they provide all training, so paid training. It says Molina supports members and providers for different lines of healthcare business across multiple states. So they are committed to providing excellent customer service to both their members and providers. And it does say they have a path to allow for growth within 6 to 8 months. So you can potentially get a promotion within the first 8 months. And of course, pay is not listed for this. It says this is a remote position and salary is based on the experience that you bring to the table. They are looking for someone to support inbound and outbound phone calls from members or providers on routine or simple issues. Conduct various surveys related to health assessments and member satisfaction. Accurately document the details related to the member or provider calls. So they want you to have the ability to work regular scheduled shifts within their hours. Demonstrate the ability to quickly build rapport and respond to customers in an empathetic manner, especially because some customers are dealing with health issues, so they're already a little on the edge. So you're going to have to be a great listener, meeting performance goals, and sticking to quality and attendance is very important. They would prefer someone who has training in the systems of Microsoft Office, Salesforce, Kronos, Microsoft Teams, video conferencing like Zoom or WebEx, CVS Caremark. Of course, these are preferred and not required. Now, they do require a high school diploma or equivalent and combination of experience along with that. The required experience is 1 year of sales or customer service experience in a fast-paced, high-volume environment. If you do not have the experience, they will take an associate's degree over that. Now, they do list benefits such as insurance, career growth, time off, additional perks. However, because this is a part-time job, I don't know if all of these benefits are included. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.